I was sent these self-drilling metal drywall anchors to try. So I'm gonna hang a headboard. Let's try it out. These are pretty cool. You just have to hammer these into the wall, and then once they are in, you put the screw in, and then once the screw is in, it will expand these on the other side of the drywall. So it should be pretty easy. So let's try it. They've also included the bit for it. So if you need an extra bit, or if you don't have the size, this is included. Right on the money. Let's go. Okay, I love it. That was so much easier. You didn't have to drill in, hammer in that. This just goes right in the wall. All I need is a hammer and then either a drill or a screwdriver to drill that in. It's a heavy headboard. So these are 80 pounds. It's very sturdy. I love this set. It comes with the anchors and the screws and the free drill bit. Great kit. I highly recommend it. Check it out.